Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down appliance mysteries to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling the GE Washing Machine Error Code E43, specifically for 2025 models. If your washer is flashing this code and refusing to start a cycle, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can often be fixed with some simple troubleshooting. Let's dive in. First things first, what does E43 mean? In GE washing machines, this error code typically signals a problem with the water inlet system. It could be related to low water pressure, a clogged filter, or even a faulty pressure switch. Don't panic. Most of these issues are DIY friendly and won't require a pricey repair person right away. Before we get our hands dirty, remember safety first. Always unplug your washing machine and turn off the water supply to prevent any accidents. Got that? Great, let's move on. Step 1. Check your inlet hoses. These are the tubes that connect your washer to the water source. Make sure they're not kinked, twisted, or blocked. Straighten them out if needed and ensure the connections are secure. Step 2. Clean the inlet screens. These small filters are located at the end of the hoses where they attach to the machine. Unscrew them carefully, rinse them under running water to remove any debris, and then reattach them snugly. If the error persists, try resetting your machine. Unplug it for about 5 minutes, plug it back in, and run a test cycle. This simple reboot can clear temporary glitches. If none of these steps work, it might be a deeper problem like a defective water valve or sensor. In that case, it's time to call a professional technician to avoid causing more damage. To prevent E43 from popping up again, make it a habit to check and clean your hoses every few months and perform regular machine maintenance. There you have it, your guide to conquering error code E43. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.